the way I would approach a joint venture is that you and your buddy or whoever it is not going to live in this property. I would buy it straight up as an investment, and you guys are going to rent this thing out. I would go one step further, and I would actually have a lawyer type out an agreement that basically says, for the next 5 years, you guys are not selling this thing. And if somebody wants out of this thing, the only thing that they're going to get out is a buyout at the original investment that they put in. Treat it like a 5-year GIC, okay? You can't get your money out of this thing. And if you want your money out, you're going to get your principal, and you're not going to get any of the gains. That should keep people in it for stronger. Also have a 5-year exit strategy out of this thing. Hey, in 5 years, if things worked out really well, that's awesome. Maybe you refinance that property and move it forward. Maybe sell that property. Both of you guys will have enough for a down payment to do your own thing. That's awesome. Maybe you guys worked out so well together and you guys will continue to keep that property and keep growing a portfolio. I don't know how that's going to pan out, but if you do get into a joint venture, make sure everything's very tight. I'd spend the $500 at a lawyer and get something written up that everybody is safe on this thing, and have an exit strategy in 5 years or so whenever you guys want out of this. So I think a joint venture could be a good idea.